Fish farms is men raising fish, in the same way as men have been raising cattle onshore for a long time. So fish farming is called aquaculture versus agriculture. And it had been done for a long time in many different ways. It started in ponds and tanks onshore, started to go offshore, still near shore, in cages, more or less. And as we see now, it's going out to deeper and deeper water into the open ocean. Many things. One, population. We start to have lack of real estate. The other one is pollution, because fish farms do pollute, and in an open ocean, the effects are less because it gets more diluted. The third, fishes are happier offshore. They taste better. They get exercise. But what we've seen so far has been China and Norway have been on the forefront. And I think it may be for different reasons. Norwegians like fish and fishermen, but it's a lot easier to raise fish than to chase fish. Second one is China, large population, and limited real estate, as I said before, so they go offshore.
There are three key drivers. The first one is with the growing people populations will increase the demand of fish. The second one is the cost of real estate onshore. The real estate onshore price is growing, and there's a limit of development onshore for fish farm. The third one is the pollution. The pollution will impact the health of fish. This guide help the owners, designers, shipbuilders to comply with our class requirements for granting our class notations. This guide specifies very important class requirements, including structure, mooring, stability, onboard machinery, equipment, system, as well as the survey.
It can work as a baseline, and it can help them to understand the risk with their investment and how to operate the unit. It can also help them in the early phases when they decide to go out to designers, etc. Because we have design guidelines, we have fabrication guides, we have how to install it and how to maintain it. So all aspects of the life cycle is addressed in one single document. We tried to address all what we could think of that would be possible, or what is and have been done. So we address the spar type, the semi-type, the ship type, and even bottom founder structures. Well, we found there was a need for a guide or a rule, or basically a baseline of what the design and maintenance and operation should be for an offshore fish farm. And we did this in a similar fashion as we've done for the last 70 years. We build upon our past experience, we apply this to the new technology, we do research or where we see there is a gap or lack of understanding, and we build it all together into one concise document addressing all aspects of a fish farm, from the very early design into the maintenance and throughout the life of the unit.